We are in Wildrose Ranch in Temescal Valley, and this is an established neighborhood that is surrounded by the beauty of the Cleveland National Forest.
You're going to love this fully remodeled home with a tandem 3-car garage, new windows, and a gorgeous private backyard. Come on in and take a look. Families love it here, and for good reason. Temescal Valley Elementary School, right here in the neighborhood, was just voted a California Distinguished School for the second time. It's a place where kids ride their bikes to the local parks, to the school, and neighbors wave to each other.
And when you're ready to venture out, there's plenty of shopping, dining, and entertainment nearby. It's close enough to be convenient and far enough away to keep the neighborhood peaceful.